One of the widely asked questions that we get as stocks and option trader is how do we find the stocks that we trade in the market? So in this video, I'm going to show you the free program that I personally use to find the stocks that I trade each and every day. So that program that I use is called Finviz, which is a website. They do offer a premium service and they also have a free service as well, which is what I use, which is the screener. Right? So with the screener, we can look through thousands of stock that fit our personal criteria and pick those stocks to trade. So in this video, I'm going to show you my personal criteria that I look for each and every day to pick out the stocks that fit my criteria. All right, so let's jump on the computer. So here we are, we have Finviz, and on the left-hand side right here, it shows you the top gainers, new highs, overbought, and unusual volume. These are the stocks that did potentially well on the current day, and these are our top losers, new lows, oversold, most volatile, and these are more likely the stocks that didn't perform as well. As you can see, as in the change, we got negative 42. Over here we have positive 78. So these are the stocks that did potentially good, and we have stocks that did potentially bad. We also have a heat map, and we also have stocks. It shows criteria of stocks that have trend lines, resistant, horizontal, all of that, and all of this is for free, right? So let's tap into the screener. Let's get back on track, right? So the first thing I look for is the price. Price is the current stock price, plain and simple. So for me, I want to look for stock under $50. That's my preference. You guys could put anything in this screener that fits your criteria. The next thing I look for is the current volume. The current volume is the number of shares traded today. So for that, I need to see a volume of over 1 million. When we have a volume of over 1 million, this is just showing that the stock is volatile and there's a lot of people that are trading back and forth, either buyers or sellers. The next thing that I look for is the average volume. The average volume is the number of shares traded in a security per day. For the average volume, I need that to be also over 1 million. Because if we don't have any volume, then that means the stock is not moving as well, and it's going to be hard to get filled in certain trade. So depend on the size that you're looking to jump in. If you have a significant size that you want to jump in, it's going to be hard for you to find buyers or sellers to actually accommodate your needs, right? So we need an average volume of over 1 million for me. And then the next thing that I look for is the float. The float is the number of stock shares that are available for trading to the public. This doesn't include shares that's held by insiders. So for float, I need to have a float at least under 50 million. The reason why I want a float of under 50 million, this means the stock is going to be able to move in a significant way. So the less shares that's available in the market to the people or to the public, the more volatile the stock will move. And this is where you can make a lot of profit if it works out in your favor. And that's about it. So after that, what I can look for, I can look at the charts. I can look at the charts and see off rip how the stock looks. So if I was supposed to pick one, I'll put ACB. I'll write that down on a piece of paper. The next one I'll look for is, I don't see anything recently that has been doing well because the market haven't been doing as awesome. But the next thing I'll probably look for is ELEV. That's another one. And this is just straight off just looking visually. I'll probably look at GES as one as well. INDO as another one. And I'm going to just pick one more. Let's see. And potentially MNDR. So once I write these down, what I'm going to potentially do, I'm going to start to look at each of them in terms of the price, how they traded before, mark them up, see if they have any news, and then I'll start subtracting to pick the best stock out of all of those. And some of these stocks that you're looking for, you can put them on a watch list, right? So even MNDR, let's look at it. As you can see, as of, let's see if they show the date. It doesn't show the, wait, what date is this? It doesn't wait, actually, yes, as of April 10th, the 10th of April, this have been going all the way up. There's a lot of momentum in this stock, right? And even today, it went to a low of 21.54 and a high of $26. So I would keep this on a watch list to say potentially another day when I see an opportunity to either go long or go short, which in this case, I'll probably look to go long because this is showing a lot of strong momentum, right? And then if you go to the bottom, it breaks it down even more. So it tells you the average volume right here, which is 5.4 million. It gives you the relative volume, which is 0.76, which is good. And then we have our price, which is under my criteria of $50. So we have a check right there. And performance year to date. It's been doing so far 265%, which is awesome. If you're having a, trading a stock that's doing 265% on the year, that's great. Then we have the inside owner. I don't really pay attention to that. I don't really care about that. But when we have the short float, we got to pay attention. Is this the short? No, this is the share float. Sorry. So this is tell you how much shares is available. So we have 15.8 million shares available to the public, which is also good. And let's see, what else do I look for? And that's really it. I don't really look for too much. Everything else is for if you're a long-term trader, and if you want to look for, if you're a trader and you want other information that I don't look for. So I don't really care about the SMA 20. The only way I care about the SMA or the 20 and SMA 50 is if I'm actually active in the trades. And you can also see that the volume here is 4.1 million that is traded today. And that's actually good. So say tomorrow I'll have this on my watch list and I'll look for a potential position to take in this stock. All right, so that's really about it, guys. It's plain and simple, and it doesn't get any easier than that. So if you're looking for stocks to trade, you can use Finviz, and this is not a promo. I'm just letting you guys know what I personally use for finding stocks in the market. And this is like the go-to for many traders. One, the fact that it's free, and you don't necessarily have to pay for the premium version to get this access to the screener. And also, guys, check in my description. We do have a trading community that we're looking for like-minded traders. And check us out. You click the link. It's free. And if you like it, you can stay and trade ideas with us. And if you don't, then you can move along. But thanks for tapping in, guys. Thanks for tuning in. And like and subscribe to the channel. And that's it, guys. See you guys later. Peace.